Hello my dream catchers! Welcome back to my channel, and ito namang new video ko is another lipstick swatches, and these are the Nina Kiss Proof Soft Lipsticks. These are from CC Shop. Gail sent this to me, and I have 9 shades right here, and you have here nudes, pinks, and reds, and actually there is one dark violet, and also this costs for 150 pesos. The product description says this liquid lipstick instantly lifts and hydrates lips. It gives rich, creamy, long-wearing color. So, medyo mali yung I think medyo mali sa product description na liquid lipstick because it is not liquid and ano siya, parang pencil type or parang alam mo yung crayon. And ito yung packaging niya. Wala na kasi ako yung box, but this is how it looks like. Yung isang is proof. And ganyan siya. And pag open, ayan, sample, yan, natasahan ko na to. Hindi siya yung naiikot dito. At first, I thought iniikot siya dito. But then wala. Na-sharpen siya. So, meron exclusive na sharpener for this. But, nabili ko to sa National Bookstore. And, basta, iusukat mo lang naman. If it fits, then okay. And then, let's move on sa swatches. So, ang first na swatch ko is yung nude lipstick, which is the shade 17. Ayan. Next shade is 5. So, this one is 5. Next shade is 9. Yan yung 9. Medyo may pagka-peachy yung color. Pink with tatasahan. Tatasahan ko lang. So, ganyan yung sample ng pagtatasan niya. Parang tatasa ka lang kasi ganyan. Itsura niya pag nasa-sharpen na. Next shade is 16. 16. Next shade is 14. Ayan, no. Bongga. Next shade is 2. Ito yung 2. And bright red lipstick. Next shade is 12. Ito yung dark violet. Ito yung swatch niya. Pero I love the color. Yeah, I love it. Two more shades left and both are red lipstick. So, which one? So, parang pag titignan mo, halos same shade. Kasi ito may takip. Halos same talaga. Hindi mo ma-appreciate yung difference. Doon muna tayo sa number 13. Ito siya. Ayan yung number 13. So, last but not the least is yung 18. So, actually, ang Nina Kiss Proof Soft Lipsticks, meron siyang 19 shades. I actually pre-ordered yung isang set niyan. But then, dadating pa ata siya this February. So, ito, nauna na yung padala ni Gail. And yung pre-order ko sa iba yon. So, I ordered one set, pero not all shades are available. So, ang alam ko, itong mga nandito ngayon is hindi available doon sa previous na pre-order ko. So, alam ko, I'll be having a refund then. Syempre, alam namang walang refund yon. I wonder kung one set ang i-swatch ko ngayon, magana yung lips ko. So, yan yung 18. Another red. Yan, makita niyo ba yung difference niya with 13? Like this video if bagay sa akin ang red lipstick. Thanks for watching, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa swatches ko sa Minaw Kiss Proof Soft Lipsticks. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to share this on your social networking sites. So, see you on my next vid. Bye!